I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Confirm the device is an Apple AirTag and that the CR2032 coin cell needs replacing. Place the AirTag face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Have the new CR2032 within reach. Next, press down firmly on the stainless steel back with one hand, then with your other hand twist the cover counterclockwise about a quarter turn. This disengages the tabs. Once you feel it move, keep steady pressure to prevent the case from popping. Once the cover is off, lift it straight away and set it aside. Remove the spent CR2032 by tipping the AirTag slightly and letting the battery fall out, or gently pry it free with a fingernail. Don't use metal tools that can short the cell. Now place the new CR2032 with the plus sign facing up. It should sit flat and make contact. Before reassembly, make sure the contact area is clean and avoid fingerprints on the battery contacts so the connection stays reliable. To finish, align the cover tabs with the case slots, press down and twist clockwise until you hear a firm click. This locks the enclosure. Once closed, the AirTag should chime briefly. If it doesn't, press the cover and twist again to ensure it's seated. If it still won't power on, remove the cover and reseat the battery, wipe the contacts, or try another CR2032. Sometimes new cells are defective. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostic help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.